I remember sitting in an engineering sink early in my career, looking at a security spreadsheet that had over 10,000 critical alerts on it. I knew the data was total garbage, but the compliance policy forces to treat every single line item like a five-alarm fire. That was the exact moment I realized the traditional scanning model is fundamentally broken. Corporate tools dump these massive automated noise generators onto development teams. While your developers are drowning in paperwork, modern threat actors are running automated AI pipelines to weaponize perimeter flaws in less than 24 hours. To survive this, you have to completely kill the spreadsheet. Elite security architectures are shifting away from reactive scanning and moving toward automated security validation. You stop pretending you can fix everything. Instead, you integrate real time threat intelligence to prioritize flaws based on actual exploitability, not generic severity scores. You start fixing what actually matters. If you want to build truly architecture that protects your company without breaking daily business operations, hit subscribe. Let's stop playing compliance games and build security that actually scales. This is Alfie Corona.